Hi guys, we have here a 2024 Chevy Silverado 1500. I'm gonna show you how to replace this headlight. FYI guys, on your 2022 to 2024 Chevy Silverado, you're gonna spend 1800 to replace your headlight because GM decided that you can no longer replace your high and low beam. They decided to replace the whole thing. Anyway, I'll show you now how to remove this. I'm gonna show you only the partial removal on a grill and a lower bumper, the upper bumper cover. So you need to remove these two T15 Torx 15, and then there's 10 clips that you have to remove. This is the upper cover of your radiator or your upper grill cover. So you just need to use a pry tool or any flat screwdriver, and voila, that's it. And you need to remove 10 pieces around across of that, and there you go. And once you remove it, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 mil that you have to remove. There you go. And then on the side of your bumper, there's 3 T15. It's Torx 15. We call it Torx or Torx. Anyway, whatever you can call it, it's T15. It's just like a flower screw. Torx 15. Okay, anyway, there you go. Once you remove that, just remove that wheel liner a little bit, and then there's two plastic clips on that one. Just pull it, and here you can use 90-degree peak or any flat screwdriver. Just avoid scratching or any damage the paint of your bumper and your fender. So it's just a dirt. I didn't scratch any hit. What you do is pull that thing, and it will show the plastic that bumper guide always breaks easily. It's so really brittle, so you have to be careful taking it off. Okay, there you go. Now you have to remove that the bottom thing I was told you. Just use a long pry tool. Once you pop out that two plastic on the bottom, you can remove the whole or just partially remove the upper bumper cover. What I did here, I just put it on a big black or any chair, so it won't fall down. And then there you go. There's another 10 mil right there, one right there, and one in the middle. So you could be able. Actually, there's 10 mil in the grill, but I didn't remove the third one. I did only remove the first and second, so you can partially move a little bit your grill.
Okay.
And here you need the long pry tool too, just to push it out. There's a metal clip that's holding the grill. So once that thing is out, you can actually move it out. There you go. And I think you might need an assistant to remove that headlight, just to hold the grill, pulling it out a little bit, so you will be able to take it out.
Mil here, 10 mil right here, 10 mil in here, and there's two 10 mil right there. See that? And then you can remove your headlight.
There you go. Once you remove all those 10 mil, all you need to do is just spray a little bit on top and remove the plug-in. It's just right there. So what I did, I just used a 90-degree pick or any small flat screw. Just pull that lock red plastic thing. That's the one that hold the lock your plug in. Then so once you do it, and you need the pry tool just to remove it, and there you go. And now I'm gonna put on the new headlight for this Chevy Silverado. So as I said, you might gonna need an assistant just to hold the bumper and the grill. It's not gonna take. It only takes you like 3 or 2 minutes, and voila, that's the new headlight that would cost you 1800. Enjoy, guys.